Hi there. In this video tutorial, I will answer the three questions that you asked in this email. Now, the first that you wanted to know about, you want the link of the first video that I sent you. I'll send you the link in reply to this email very soon. Getting to the second question about you spoke me previously about removing the spaces from the top and bottom of the logo, and about the small image icon that was at the top right. So if you actually see your website on my browser, there are no such problems over here. You see no spaces over here, and you do not see the icon 2 over here. Even I checked it on a Windows PC of one of my friend, and I could see the same thing as you see over here. Now, one of the possible reason that you see the problem on your computer, maybe because of the cache of your browser. So to solve that, you may just go over here, click on this button on your Google Chrome browser, click on History, then click on Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you deselect everything except the cached images and files. Also select from the beginning of time over here, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Then refresh this page and check if the problem has been solved or not. In case the problem still exists, let me know. I'll try to find a possible solution to that. Okay, I'll come to the third question later on. Let's go to the fourth one about the background issue. So you see there is no background over here on your website right now. Now, ideally, to set the background, the option is to go to Appearance, and there is option Background over here. So you go to Background and you select the file, and you see that you have properly selected background for your website, but you still do not but the background still doesn't come up here. Now, I really do not know what's the problem with this. There must be some issue with the theme or theme settings, I don't know. So to do this, there is an option to do it with CSS. CSS is about styling your website. So it's about a bit too technical. Maybe you do not understand, maybe you will not understand this. But what I've done is there is an option over here under Appearance Game Day Options. There is a box over here called Custom CSS, right? So I've pasted this CSS code which sets the background for your website. And when I click on Save Changes and go on to front end and refresh the page, you see that the background has come up. So in case you ever want to change the background of your website, what you can do is just replace this URL with the image URL that you want to set. So that should change the background of your website. Coming to the third question, that you want your website homepage layout to be similar to this one. So whatever you see over here at the bottom of the homepage just below the slider, the settings to this is over here under Appearance Widgets. You see this block, Homepage Widget Area. Now whatever widgets you put up over here will be shown up here. So let's say firstly you want to have this kind of widget. So this widget is actually this game day category list. If you see the description of this is a widget that displays posts from a category of your choice. So let's say I drag this and place it at the top. Now I need to select the title of this. Let's say I say football. I need to select the category for this. I say football. I need to enter how many posts I want to display. I'll choose 4 for now, and I'll click on save. And when I go to the front end, you would see this football come up over here. Now this is almost similar to this. The problem is that you have just one post over here. Now the reason you have just one post over here is because you have only one post in the football category. So when you put more posts in this football category, more posts will be shown up over here. Maximum will be 4 because you've chosen 4 as the option in this block. If you want to see something like this on your website, now this is similar to this one, football on your website. So that is basically a category feature, game day category feature, where you can select, when you can give the name of the category, you can select the category and give the number of links that you want to show, again 4. Now again you see just one come up over here, and again the reason being, sorry, this is a tennis, right? So you go back here, you see tennis. Yeah, so on your website this football one. Now this is similar to this tennis on the other website. So this football on your website is because of this category feature widget. So you see the title football you given over here and it displays over here. Then you selected the category as football and you chose a maximum number of links to be shown as 4. But you see just one come up over here because you have just one post in the football category. In case, let's say you have many posts in uncategorized right now. So if I choose uncategorized over here, go on to the front end and refresh the page, you will see more come up over here, but you see no image come up over here because you haven't chosen featured image for all this post. But as said, maximum 4 number of posts can be showed up over here. For now, I will bring this back to what it was, football, and click on save. So when you refresh it at the front end again, you see things back to normal. Now this block and this block are almost the same. Now you see under featured you have 3 posts come up because you have more number, because you have 3 posts under featured. So this both are same, but because you have only one post in the football category, you see just one, and because you have 3 under featured, you see the 3 come up over here. So to get the homepage layout something similar to this, you first need to increase the number of posts in each of the categories that you want to show up. Like for football, you have just one article post over here. So when you add some more posts, you will certainly get something layout something like that. And also there is no order in which, there is no proper order in which this widgets will show up. For example, you have the first widget as football over here. Okay, that shows up over here. Second is again football, so it comes up over here. So you see that things are going this way. If it's featured, so third one was featured, fourth one was text with an image code over written over here. So you see this image come up over here. The fourth one, after that it was soccer. So soccer, instead of coming over here on the right of this, it comes below this. So I think this block over here, it tries to display things in the best possible manner. I don't find any order in which all the blocks come up. So I guess that's it for this tutorial. In case you have any problem understanding any of the answers that I gave you for these questions, please reply me back to the email. I'll try to re-explain you the things. Thank you.